Get set, go!
Hi,
Hi.
do you know where we are?
Where?
We're in the forest. Do you know a story about the ugly tree?
No.
I'll tell you it. A long time ago, there was a very dense forest. The forest had a lot of huge and straight trees with beautiful branches. But in the forest, there stood a lonely tree with crooked branches and pale, dirty leaves. His trunk was also bent. It hated itself because of how ugly and bent it was. All the other trees in the forest made fun of it. Ha ha ha, look at that tree. What an ugly creature. Look at me, I am so ugly. Look at me, I am so ugly. I wish I was like other beautiful trees as God has been so cruel to me. One day, a woodcutter came to the forest to collect firewood. Oh, this these few trees will make for a good firewood. Once he was done, saying that he chopped down a few large and smooth trees. Once he was done, he came near the crooked tree. These old and crooked branches are of no use to me. Let me not waste my time by cutting it down. The woodcutter picked up the chopped wood and went away. The tree felt happy and realized that God has saved his life by making him different. The moral of the story, we should accept ourselves the way we are. Again, thank you. Again, my name is Brekan Kairi Magbag, grade 1 St. Therese.